안녕하세요 여러분, Zelda입니다. Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is my second day of my travel vlog here in Seoul. And for today's vlog is so simple. It's just my daily life here in Seoul. I have no special appointment. I just want to take my time, enjoy my life here in Seoul. I want to wake up not too late, not too early. And my plan for today is I just want to buy some food there in the supermarket. And then after that, I will cook here. Home cooked meal. I will cook in this place and do some exercise. And then later on, I'll be going to Daiso to buy some souvenir. And I'll be going to Olive because this place here in Seoul there's a lot of establishments around in this area that I'm renting. So it's very convenient, guys. And for today's sponsor is from MNL The Skin Story. It's a skincare brand from the Philippines. Actually, guys, this brand is formulated here in Korea. And the owner of this skincare is from the Philippines. And I love this cleanser because it's not so harsh into my skin. It's bubbly and it smells good. Yeah, so let's wash my face first. And it's workout time. I just follow a video here in YouTube. My favorite fitness guru is Chloe Ting. So her workout routine is simple and easy to follow. And I got a new sponsor from Aqua Skin PH. This is called Zekko Collagen Sticks. It helps you to have a glowing skin and youthful appearance. So let's try this Zekko Collagen Sticks, guys. And for my breakfast, I prepared a sweet potato. Actually, I cooked this last night and I just preheat this early in the morning. I love sweet potato because it's not so high in calorie. And of course, I love broccoli, guys. Recently, these days, I'm a broccoli addict. This vegetable is rich in vitamins, So I just put a garlic and then I stir fry, and this is it. And also this luncheon meat or spam, I love this one. It's tasty. And I also eat an egg. It's a scrambled egg. So this is my breakfast. 많이 먹어. 잘 먹겠습니다. This time is I'm going to throw my trash. So did you know what, guys, here in Korea it's very expensive to throw away your trash. You cannot anyhow throw the trash because it's very strict in here, guys. It's different to my country. I'm so sorry, Philippines, but here in Korea they are very responsible and they are very strict here.
So the trash here in Korea is thrown away using biodegradable bags. Anything that can be burned in fire is thrown away inside the bags. Make sure to throw away the proper products and recycle the ones you cannot. Since garbage bags vary from region to region, they should be discarded using garbage bags suitable for the area. Guys, if you're planning to visit here in Korea and if you want to stay in an Airbnb room, if you are the one who is responsible to separate your garbage. The owner of the Airbnb sent you a guideline, some rules and regulation about renting in an Airbnb room. So they tell you that you are the one responsible to throw away your garbages. And if you don't follow, guys, there will be a fine. So better to follow it. And if you don't like this kind of protocol, better to rent in a hotel. Because renting an Airbnb is a bit hassle.